Taurus, 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 Taurus. Yeah. So, October 8 to 14. Yeah, welcome po sa Scorp's Work Tarot, mga kapatid na Taurus. So, shout out po ako sa mga OFW na mga kapatid ko rin. OFW din po ako sa mga bago lang sa channel. Yeah? So, magkwentuhan po tayo. Magkapi-kapi tayo. Mag-relax. Another weekend. Weekend ko lang po kasi ginagawa itong aking channel. So, full-time job ako. Mahirap din yung gumawa ng YouTube channel pala. Akala ko madali po. Napasubo ako. So, maskin ako inahanap ko itong equal partnership na ito para merong maglalaba habang nagagawa ako ng tarot reading. Yeah. Tingnan natin. So, busy week. Stress din po ako. Maraming trabaho at saka maraming problema. Yeah. So, ingat po tayo. Ingat ka Taurus, okay? Tignan natin October 8 to 14 Taurus. What to expect? What to expect? Ano bang magandang balita? Okay, balita. Yeah. I hope hindi ka bore. Okay? Kasi maliit lang yung pinakapakita mong energy in terms of pag nag-iisip ka, yung curiosity, you don't want something new. Okay? Taurus being okay, ito yung energy mo gusto mo lang ng pera practical Okay? Taurus ayaw niya ng Did I tell you na one of my favorite sign is kayong mga Taurus, hanga ako sa inyo Okay? Talagang kaya kayo Taurus 'di ba? Yan ang stock exchange na sign Kalabaw, Taurus, 'di ba? Buffalo, yung yun ang symbol ninyo nagsasaka, umaano sa bukid, basa, may tubig, tuyo, pinaplaw nyo yung putik. Okay? I'm not saying na ganun kayo, pero that's hard work, okay? So, alam nyo na hindi magbubunga yan kung tutunganga ka lang, okay? Hindi ka lang puro isip, kumilos ka. Yan ang energy mo, Taurus, alam mo yan. Okay? Kapag nasa element ka, sasabihin mo sa mga taong bayan, tumabi-tabi kayo dyan, DPWH, aararuhin ko yan. Tama, Taurus? Yeah. Okay? Baka, I hope yung mga DPWH na yun, baka meron doon mga Taurus sign i-check ko nga. Yung kwentuhan lang po tayo. So, yeah, gusto mong, okay, meron kang gustong puntuhan, baka gusto mo mag-holiday kasi hardworking kayo. Okay? You're hardworking people. So, if you're dealing with Gemini, it's time for you to connect with your loved one, okay? Or to look for that relationship. Okay? I-nurture mo rin yung sarili mo. Okay? Yeah? So, okay. See, being a Taurus, kasi nga, very practical and wala kayong panahon sa drama minsan Okay? Gusto nyo talaga sa pula, sa puti, or sa, kung ito lobster yan, hindi yan talangka. Okay? Kung yan aso yan, hindi yan wolf. Okay? Wala ka ng panahon na ganoon. Okay? Ayaw mo nang pumunta pa dun sa kabilang portal. Huwag na nating lokohin yung sarili natin. Yan, talangka yan. At yan ay aso. Meron mo ganyan? Yan. See? Nababasa ko na. Maski na hindi ko na siguro balasahin tong taro. Ikukwento ko na lang kung ano yung energy mo ngayon. Okay? Na alam ko isa sa inexperience ko because I dealt with in my lifetime, nagkaroon ako ng office mate at nagkaroon ako ng kaibigan sa kolehiyo pa na parehong Taurus. Okay, walang halong pag ito, lumitaw na naman yung the lover. You're dealing with Gemini. You want to get married? Go for it. Okay? Hindi ko na sasabihin sa'yo kasi you deserve it, Taurus. Okay? Okay? O, ayan. Nagdududa ka eh. Okay? Nagdududa ka sa pinili mo. Okay? Kasi nga, di ba sinabi ko, kapag sinabi ni Taurus na yan, talangka yan, hindi, lobster yan, okay? Aso yan, hindi, wolf yan, okay? Nandun ka sa state na yon, okay? Medyo maangas ka rin dyan, eh. Tama? Okay, I can see a controlling Taurus here. Wag mo akong bibilukin, Taurus, okay? So, mga kaibigan ko yung Taurus, kaibigan ko yung sign ninyo. Magka-opposite tayo, Scorpio ako. Yeah, malayo kayong kapitbahay pero kayo yung kapitbahay na yung kapitbahay mo sa gilid, close kayo kasi nauutangan mo ng pambili ng patis. Okay, nahihiraman mo, okay? Yung kaibigan, yung kapitbahay mo na nasa harap mo, nakikita mo siya kung ano yung kinakain niya. So, yan ang natin. Okay, puro pera yung iniisip mo, wala ka pang pera. Okay, ngayon ay hindi ko kayo bobolahin kasi gusto niyo ng sa puti, sa pula, okay? Hindi ko sasabihin yung kamukha yung ibang binabasa na nakakita lang na 9 of Pentacles, uulanin ka ng pera. Hindi. You are questioning your resources here. Yeah. Okay. Kung yung stability mo, ready ka na. Kasi Taurus ka eh. Okay. You have 9 and 10. Kasi kailangan mo pang kumayod. Okay. And it requires time. Kasi alam mo eh. Okay. You deal with the past, regret. Nasaktan ka na ba? With this new relationship na nakikita mo you're not sure? Okay? Sino yung not sure? Okay. Yan ang problema ni Taurus minsan. Yan ang weakness ninyo. Especially if you're dealing with air sign. Okay. If you're dealing with air sign. Okay. Basahin ko to ng Taurus being earth sign. Okay. Earth kayo, makalupa kayo, kaya kayo araro ng lupa. Alam niyo yung hard work, there's no problem on that. Dream, okay. Dream, lahat tayo, meron yan, malaki, maliit, you're moving to that direction. Alam mo kung paano mo aararuhin yan to get your pentacle. Strong foundation, everybody loves that. Okay? Happy relationship, everybody loves that. Boom, bam. Gemini suddenly came in. Sabi ni Gemini, ganito. Sabi mo, ganyan. Okay? It flows very well. If you're dealing with a Gemini, that's how to deal with Gemini. Okay? Keep that balance. Okay? That's Gemini. Huwag mong baguhin yung dynamics. You regret something in the past. Emotionally, you've been hurt. Maare. Okay? Did I see a Virgo? Okay. So, pumasok lang. Now, you're on a crossroad. Nag-iisip ka kasi may pera ka ba o wala at this situation. You want your foundation kasi nga kalabaw ka. Okay? Sinasabi ko lang yung metaphor po. Wag magkwentuhan lang tayo. Kasi alam mo how to make money and how to be realistic. Somebody is not realistic. Okay? And you know your worth. You know your value and you don't want to go through the same mistake again. Yeah? As simple as that, Taurus. Okay? Kasi gusto mo sa pula, sa puti eh. So, ibibigay ko yan. Magkapit bahay tayo. Alam ko yung, as a Scorpio, alam ko yung kinakain mo doon. Ayun nagpa-party ka nakikita ni Scorpio yan na masarap yung ulam mo. Okay? So, alam ko na may problema ka ngayon sa relationship mo. Yeah? Meron mga ganyan, Taurus. Yeah, shout out po. Magkapi-kapi lang tayo. Yeah. So, okay. Alam mong laruin yung pentacle mo eh. Okay? This is yung nasa harap kong Taurus is nasa prime of their life. Okay? Oh, may lumitaw. Okay? Prime of their life. Okay? Mahirap walang storyline po kasi kapag bata, hindi pa nila nakukuha yung buong cycle ng buhay. So, I don't recommend sa mga 18-year-old na this is not an 18-year-old story. Ito yung Taurus na talagang ilang ektarya na yung inararo at pinunlaan. Okay? Judgment. Okay. You have to make a decision daw, sabi Taurus. Okay? Mag-decision ka na if that's your relationship. Okay? Anong senaryo pa yung nakikita ko rito? Yung I don't see hindi ito yung painful okay? You're starting to ask question lang. Okay, meron ka lang tinatanong sa sarili mo, kaya ka nagka-crossroad. Kapag nagka-crossroad tayo, nagtatanong tayo sa sarili natin okay? Is it worthy? Yung mga ganun tipo. Is it worthy? Kasi foundation yan Okay? Ayaw mong ma-shake yung foundation mo, Taurus. Kasi nasaktan ka. Yun lang, nagkaroon ka lang ng past regret. Sa relationship yan. Okay? Or relationship, maaring sa tao or sa opisina or sa partner, you know that kind of thing. Yung amo mo, yung office mate mo, relationship, okay? And yung pundasyon mo, mawawala. Mas medyo, masaya ka na, kumpante ka na okay? Definitely, meron kang resources. Kasi pinagtrabahuhan mo yan kalabaw ka nga, sabi ko, dahil alam mo ko paano magtiyaga. Yes, that's one thing I admire with you, Taurus. Okay? So, ano pa yung gusto mong desisyonan? Kasi nasaktan ka. I think that's the reason why. Okay. Knowing Taurus na the two friends that I have. Okay, kasi kapag minsan nasaktan na talagang totally nagre-retreat. Dito ka nagre-retreat, Taurus Kapag natapon na, although alam mo na, sorry. Yung tasa natapon yun that's hurt, personal hurt yan Okay? Yan nahihirapan kang tumawid doon, no? You see that bridge? Okay, that hindi mo makalimutan yun. So, hindi ka makapunta dun sa sanctuary mo. Yan yun, no? Ito yung bahay mo Yan, no? Okay? That's the abundance, okay? Kasi na-trigger yung emotional imbalance mo. And that's something very personal to you. That is something very, very personal to Taurus, okay? No judgment, alam ko po yan. Okay? Maski na alam mo na some people are still loving you. Okay, yeah, pero hindi kasi gusto mo nga yung 3 tasa. Okay? Favorite mo yung 3 tasa. Metaphor ko na lang yan. Yeah? So, once na nabasag na yung glass, yun ang favorite mo So, hindi mo na siya ma-display. Hindi mo na siya, you don't feel whole again. Yeah. You cannot feel that, yung independence mo, nawala. Nawala yung isang parte ng buhay mo. And you don't feel that, that solid structure na siya, na shake siya. Okay, hindi ko habaan to. I need to know. Ano yun? I need to know. Kasi sa amin ganun niya yun daw yung karma. Ano ba yung ginawa mo dito, Taurus? Okay. Ano yung ginawa mo? Ano yung ginawa mo, Taurus? Okay. Alam ko nasaktan ka. Are you dealing with Scorpio again? Kasi nga magkapit bahay tayo ng sign, you can easily get close to a Scorpio. You know that. You can get you get your emotional security doon eh. Okay? Kung magkapit bahay tayo ng sign as a Scorpio, sinisilip kita, alam ko yung masarap yung pagkain mo eh, okay? Pero sumisilip ka rin kay Scorpio kasi sabi ay ang saya-saya. Maski na ang kinakain ni Scorpio eh puro tilapia at saka malunggay, para ang saya-saya nila. Yes, okay. Yun yung partnership mo na ito yung hinahanap mo. Okay? Ito yung hinahanap mo. Again, passage of time. I see the Virgo, passage of time, yun the Hermit. Okay. Why don't you try it? Pero ganyan, kung hindi mo pa nakikita, Taurus, that's what you're looking for. That's what you're looking for. Kasi yung Gemini, parang dumating ito eh, after yung past regret mo eh, okay? Or si Gemini yung past regret mo, okay? And you came another one, and you're starting to, yeah, you need to make a decision. You need to make a decision. I see the Judgment like karmic because Gemini, okay, Archangel Raphael or Gabriel here. You're also praying for that one to parang to work out. Okay, kung it's not something that it's not working out, kasi nga you're looking for that Taurus type of definition mo ng what is solid, yung partner mo is not somebody na nagbibigay sa'yo ng ganoong 1 plus 1 equals 2. That's the weighing scale. You know, that's the Libra. Pag natitilt ka, ganun ka rin parang kay Libra. Pag hindi balance yung weighing scale mo, na off ka. Lahat po tayo ganoon. And you're on that stage for that emotional partnership. Hindi ba maibigay o naibigay, or yung past regret mo is a Gemini or an air sign, is a Libra, or is a or a Scorpio. Okay? So I don't see this will come to I don't even want to give some advice, or there's no such thing as advice. Decision mo kasi yan. What do you define? Okay, define your definition ng what is the foundation na gusto mo. Okay, if you like the independence, you are very independent. Hardworking ka nga eh. Alam mo paano laruin yung kumita. Okay? Hardworking ka nga eh. And if you like that foundation of a true family, you can build that actually. You can build that. Nagkaroon ka lang ng I think it's a painful fast. Knowing Taurus, okay, talagang ito ay talagang hindi mo na makikita kapag nasabihan mo ng masakit. Okay? Yeah. So, what am I going to do here? Para akong nabigatan dito, Taurus. Parang nawala yung kinain kong agahan. Yeah. Okay. Kulang ako ng isang card. Curious lang ako. I want to see something in the past. Okay. I think this is a present moment. Okay? This is a present moment. This is a present moment, Taurus. Okay? Dahil sa kapitbahay kita ko, silipin ko kung ano yung nangyari sa'yo in the past. Okay? Kuha din po kayo ng kape, magkwentuhan tayo. Kung nag-resonate, shout out po on what angle, okay? In what situation. Ikaw ba yung Taurus na nakapag-decide na ito, okay. Ang bilis nito. Okay. Okay. Okay, news. Somebody na mahangin. Somebody na mahangin. O ikaw ito. You have that energy of, or ayaw mo yung ganun, ayaw mo ng ganun type of energy surrounds you. So, you are retreating. Kumbaga, ops, sumasakay ka sa kabayo, di ba? Tapos yung how do, ano pa yun? Stop muna. Okay? Pause, okay? Wag, muna ako, mag-isip muna ako. Okay? Hindi ako sa magdadamot o hindi ako sa magiging selfish. Ako muna, wait muna tayo. Okay? Is that how you feel? Okay? You see that one, going to that direction. Yung isa naman sabi, okay, ngek. Okay? Dito ako, ayoko. Okay? Shopping tayo. Ngek, ayoko. Okay? Pumunta tayo sa, okay, ganyan. Stop, okay. Yeah, this is the energy. Okay? And you want to make a decision because of that. Okay? Kasi nga, yung merong past, hindi ko na tatanungin si Taro kung ano pa yung past, and it's painful, sinabi mo na yan kasi sa pula sa puti, sabi mo. So, yeah, and judgment daw so judgment is karmic. So what's happened on the past is something na you alone can decide whether that what's happening to you. You're starting to ask question also na, bakit ganito kaya ang nangyari? May pera naman ako, or maganda naman ako, gwapo naman ako, successful ako. Those kind of things. Kasi nga, very practical ka, Taurus. And not everybody can connect with you sometimes on that level. Bakit puro trabaho na lang ako ng trabaho? Pero, ganun pa rin. Those kind of thing. Bakit trabaho naman ako ng trabaho? Pero, bakit ganun pa rin yun? Yun ka Yun ang personality mo Okay? I think it's not only dynamics challenge. Okay? If you're asking me sa mga nasa ibang stage ng Taurus, na walang problema on a relationship level pero may problema sa pera, yeah, definitely. Alam niyo yung ninyo, yung destiny niyo You know how to make money. And palaging yung foundation. Foundation is the money. And yung reality, alam niyo mag-araro talaga. Okay? Pero minsan, because of that, yun ang fire niyo Yun ang fire mo, Taurus Okay? Kaya lang minsan nadadilute ka because yung emotional level, that's why you're very dependent sa Scorpio, kasi not everybody can understand you on that level. I think that's what your question is. Meron mga ganyan, Taurus, paki-shoutout lang po. Yun ang nakikita ko rito. A strong Taurus, strong-headed kayo talaga. I admire you for that. Pero pag pumasok yung emosyon na yan, mayroong emotional trigger something, medyo na at saka yung air sign na too bossy, too demanding, too, okay, nawawala yung mo, nawawala ka sa mojo. Okay? Lahat tayo, hinahanap natin yung safe space na sinabi, ops, not so fast, Missy, not so fast, mister. Okay? Break muna. Ayan, break as in tinapakan mo yung brake ng kotse. Okay? Anayin mo muna ako. Pabayaan mo muna ako. Yun ang yun ang dating mo dito. Okay? So, hindi kita nakukwentuhan kasi yun ang mo ngayon mode mo. Yes? Yeah, okay, hingitan lang tayo ng kwento kay kay Oracle Card Taurus, okay? Kasi nag-retreat ka again. Yan ang energy yata lately. Siguro dahil sa dami ng negative news po sa Pilipinas, parang hindi ka napagod. Alam ko yung pagod yun inaagahan mo yan eh. Inaagahan mo yan, Taurus. Sandali, merong parang baliktad. Okay, kuha tayo ng isang oracle card lang kay Taurus. Okay? Yan ang energy mo, yan ang mo yan ang that's who you are, Taurus. Inaagahan mo yung yung pagod. Sabi ko sa iyo. Okay. Yung kapitbahay mong Scorpio ito. Sabi ko sa iyo that's how we are connected. So shout out, curious lang ako kung merong nakakita nitong video na ito at kayo ay Taurus. Okay, aminin niyo sa akin na close kayo sa Scorpio. Just say yes, okay? I just want to connect sa mga, whether you're OFW o hindi, na close kayo. Okay? Lang kayo, mag likes or hindi ko po pinipilit na mag-subscribe. Maski na ako, ayoko rin ng maraming subscriber kasi tama lang yung napadaan kayo, okay na, masaya na ako. Are you dealing with a Scorpio? Just say yes. Okay, yun lang. Hindi ko na kayo tanungin kasi magkapit bahay tayo. Negative attitudes and fiery arguments are possible at this time. Channel your energies into positive physical activities like decorating or gardening. Yeah? alam mo Taurus, sinabi na Scorpio gardening kasi nga mahilig kang yan ang nature mo magkalalkal ng lupa. in not negative way, okay? Alam mo kung paano magtrabaho, okay? So ngayon literally mag-alaga ka ng roses daw at mga mag-gardening ka, okay? Kasi puro trabaho ka enjoy mo yung life, simple daw. Yeah. Okay. So Scorpio, shout. Curious lang ako. Aminin niyo sa akin na talagang meron kayong close friend or you connected with a Scorpio, and yung connection I know hindi ko natatanungin. It's very deep. Yeah? Okay, shout out ako. Taurus yung binabasa ko, ha? Okay, see you po again. Salamat po.